Good morning guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I'm back with a new what I packed my husband for lunch video. Today is Monday and I'm getting ready to pack up the cooler. I'm giving Matt a Tidal Punch Gatorade Flow and then a mango protein smoothie. His sandwich today is on that rye pumpernickel swirl bread. We have some buffalo chicken, some crisp iceberg lettuce, some Swiss cheese, and then some of the creamy bacon aioli spread from TJ Maxx that I found. Some pasta salad here. My mother-in-law actually made this. We went to her house yesterday for Father's Day for lunch, and she made pasta salad and sent us home with whatever was left, so I packed a little for my husband's lunch today. I'm also giving him a toast and peanut butter little cracker thing, and then I made just a simple little trail mix with some apple chips, some banana chips, and then some toasted coconut cashews from Trader Joe's. So nice little lunch today, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. We've got a Canada Dry Orangeade ginger ale, one of the Tidal Punch Gatorade Flows, and then this sandwich, which is on these like little crostini rolls. I have a couple left, and this is buffalo chicken, Swiss cheese, iceberg lettuce, and some of the bacon creamy aioli spread from TJ Maxx, some fresh cut up watermelon, and then some pickle chips. Kind of stacked a bunch of them in here. There's maybe like 6 or 7 in there, and then a cheese stick as well. So really easy lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today at work, he actually has a breakfast meeting in the morning. So his boss will be getting coffee and bagels and cream cheese and donuts. So I did go real light today since they're having that meeting this morning, and then he won't, which means he won't have like a late morning snack. He'll pretty much just have lunch around 12 or 12:30. So this is what I'm packing him today. I'm actually using one of our Yum boxes. Love these things. I have a discount code with them for the summer in case you are interested in one, so I'll link that below. It's just code GradysMom for 20% off. But anyways, for his little lunch today, I decided to go with a little kind of snack variety box. Because he's having bagels and cream cheese and donuts in the morning, I didn't want to give him a sandwich, and I also wanted to go a bit lighter because my husband tends to eat a little bit lighter in the summer months, which most of us do. So I gave him a fruit banana berry smoothie here. It's like a yogurt smoothie, and then a Gatorade Flow in the Tidal Punch, and of course, as always, the water cooler. And for today's little box, I have some black olives, some fresh cut up watermelon, some banana chips, as well as some coconut cashews. These are from Trader Joe's. I've got some buffalo chicken here. There's actually 3 slices that I kind of rolled up and then folded and then laid inside here. A couple little Reese's as a little treat in the little circle compartment. The other one's hiding underneath it. And then some crackers, some pepperoni, and then a pepper jack cheese stick. In here, I just have to slide these back in here. But yes, I thought this was, again, a nice little change from just your normal sandwich since he's having carbs in the morning at the breakfast meeting. But anyways, this is his lunch today, and I will see you tomorrow. Morning guys, getting ready to pack up my husband's work lunch. Today I'm giving him a raspberry pure leaf tea, a Canada Dry ginger ale, and as always, the water cooler. I made him a salad today just for something different. The bottom is arugula and baby spinach lettuce mix, and then I put a bunch of different things on it. So I put some black olives, a good portion of sliced up turkey, like deli turkey, and then I also like to use this salsa from BJ's. It's not really salsa, like there's no sauce. It's kind of like a chunky, almost like a pico, and it has like the tomatoes, the red onion, the pepper, the jalapeno, and the garlic. It's really good. So I put a bunch of that on there all throughout, some chopped crisp celery, and then a ranch dressing that he can pour on. A little fork here, some chips here. These are the kettle cooked rosemary garlic chips, really yummy, so I packed him a bag of those. A fresh nectarine, and then a Nutri-Grain apple bar for like a morning snack. But yeah, this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. morning, guys. It is time to pack up the cooler for work for my husband, and today I'm packing him a strawberry banana protein smoothie, a pure leaf raspberry tea. The wrap you guys saw me make on the jalapeno cheddar wrap has black pepper turkey, some spring mix, I think it's like baby spinach and arugula, Swiss cheese, and then for the condiment today I used this, it's like a creamy french fry sauce. It's like spicy. It's very hard to explain, but I thought I would try it as a condiment. Also, obviously, if we have fries, I'll try it. But it looked like it would taste pretty good in here, so that's what I put on the wrap. I did some hard-boiled eggs last night, so I did 4 halves, so 2 whole hard-boiled eggs. Some of the Dukes, which is our favorite, smoked sausages, along with a cheese stick, and then one of the Jif Power Up Chewy granola bars in the salted caramel flavor with peanut butter. And this is lunch today.